So sometimes I hear the voices in their head and it says, stop, pull over, deliver the message. So I stop, pull over, man, deliver the message. So here it goes. Father, Lord, today is Valentine's, okay? Valentine's Day. A lot of your children, Father, is going to do the things them but them not fear the Lord. Lord, you say flee from fornication, but them down near fornicating, Father. Lord, this is what I want you to do for me, for us, for Jamaica, for 2023, Father. Breed them, Father, breed them. Father, guide the spermicles to the uteri, Lord. Guide it, birth it open, let them in, Father. Let be fruitful and multiply them backside, Father. Lord, you're working mysteriously and you mysteriously make Sophia trying to create and Rihanna do it. So make everybody do it, Father. Father, it's company me I look, Lord. It's company me I look. I want the whole of them to have multitudes of children, Father. Lord, they will come with their ways to bind and prevent, but let every plan be fail, Lord. Make it run out upon them. Run out upon them, Father. This is the year of breeding. We need to provide and we need to multiply as per your words, Lord. So breed everybody. Everybody who is reading this, breed. That is it. Thank you for today's message. It's my Valentine's. Happy Valentine's to you too.